This is ForexOverviews.com with the analysis of the weekly time frame of dollar-yen. This is a weekly chart of dollar-yen, and here we can see this nice uptrust. Market was trading inside this very aggressive upward channel, break it to the downside, retested it, and now returned to some downward movement. Well, now what? What we can expect from dollar-yen after doing this huge and very strong down move? There are some possibilities, and on the next chart we can see that in fact market has made this symmetrical triangle, which in fact is dependent, because we can draw a line here, and after this uptrust it will be in fact a pennant, alright, the mast and the pennant itself. And the market now resides at the evening of making the fifth wave of this pennant, as we can see here. First wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, and now maybe market will make the fifth wave. And on this week we can see that we have a start of a bullish week, at least until today. Today is Tuesday, alright? And if this pennant breaks to the upside as it suggests, alright, after a strong upward move, the target will be the length of the base of the pennant to the upside, alright, at an area around 109 and 50 approximately, alright. But in fact what we have here now are two possibilities for the outcome on dollar-yen. And according to the breakout to the upside of the pennant on the previous chart, we can have this butterfly sell on the weekly chart of dollar-yen. So for instance, if the market really breaks the pennant to the upside with a fifth wave, taking out this high and this high, we most probably will face this butterfly sell with an up move on the market, right? And the market can reach as far as this level of the 1618 butterfly sell area around 109 and 80. And this level here is also the same level of the breakout of the pennant, and the target of the breakout of the pennant, which was in the 109.45, and the 1618 butterfly will be in 109.80. Just 40-30 pips is just too little on the weekly time frame, so they are on the same area. Or the market could stop at the 127 butterfly sell at 106 and 40. We can also see that if the market will really make this upward move, this will be the upper border of the confluence area on the monthly time frame. If you see the analysis of the monthly time frame, you can watch the video on Forex Overviews website. You will see and you will better understand that this zone in fact is the confluence resistance zone. The market tested it, and maybe now if the market will take out these two hikes, it will have the power to reach the upper border of the K area, the confluence resistance area on monthly time frame. And also this would be an agreement. Why an agreement? Because this is an ABCD, A, B, C, D. The 618 extension of this ABCD will coincide with the upper border of confluence resistance, so this will be an agreement. And it's also on the same zone on the target of the butterfly sell, alright? And if the market will make this up move, it will also reach the upper border of a downward channel, also on the monthly time frame. So if you wish to know the details, you should watch the video of the monthly time frame analysis. But in fact, this resistance here are not important at the right moment. What we need to know is the main direction of the market for the next days and next weeks. So if the market will form this reversal pattern, we can count on upward movement on dollar yen for the next days or weeks. Alright? But there is also another possibility, as we will see on the next chart, that the market can make a butterfly buy also, right? Plotted in yellow. So these are the two main possibilities: a butterfly sell on the previous chart, or this butterfly buy. And if the market will lose these lows and lose also these lows here, it can reach the zone of 89 even. It will be the 1618 extension of this butterfly, and it will be also the 618 Fibonacci support. Alright, take a note that also if the market will continue with the down move, it will make also an ABCD, A, B, C, D, and this ABCD 100% extension, completion point of ABCD, will be at the same level of the 122.27 butterfly buy extension. Alright, so these are the two main possibilities of outcomes, and also we must pay attention for the possibility of breakout of this pennant on the weekly time frame. On the Georgian-April framework, we can see that trend is now bearish because the market is below the red line, which is the MACD predictor. And we can note that while the trend is bearish, price action stands flat. Market has gone nowhere. Down, up, so price stands flat, and this may be in fact the bullish dynamic pressure signaling the power of the bulls to take out the market to the upside, and thus making the market to complete this butterfly. Okay, but there can be also another thing here, which can be the volatility breakout on the trend oscillator. Alright, by this move to the downside here, the trend oscillator break below the lower boundary of oversold, so this can be the volatility breakout, and market can be making an ABCD to take below this bottom here. Alright, so also two possibilities here. And on the next chart, we can see by the Georgian-April displaced moving average that the market has made a bread and butter buy by the second close below the 3x3, the green line, has made the upward move, reaching the target, the 618 support of this roll down move, and now is sitting just at the 25x5 displaced moving average, which usually acts as support for the longer term. So this setup here, this configuration of the market testing the 25x5 MA suggests the upward move and the completion of this butterfly sell. Alright, on the next chart, on the monthly pivot points framework, let me adjust it a bit here. Alright, the monthly pivot points framework, this is a daily chart, not more the weekly one, so we can better see the monthly pivot points. We can see that this framework supports the upward movement and completion of this butterfly sell, right? Because market opened around the monthly pivot point, tested, loosed it, tested the monthly pivot support 1, and is now returning with the upward move with strong bars to the upside, and this favors the upward continuation, because when the market stands in the long-term bull trend, usually support 1 holds the market, the monthly pivot support 1. So market is being held by this line, the monthly pivot support 1, establishing the upward move. So this is good sign for the bulls, signing that the market will make some more movement and will take out the monthly pivot point, suggesting the completion of this butterfly sell. So as a conclusion, we can say that there are two main possibilities for the market, one being with the upper breakout of this pennant, completion of this butterfly sell at 127 or 1618, most probably the 1618, or the butterfly buy with a downward move to the downside, reaching as far as the 618 support and the area of 89 and 0. Personally, I favor the upward continuation. I'm expecting some upward continuation at the current moment. The intraday charts bullish, the daily chart looks bullish, but we must be prepared for also the downward possibility and adjust our trades according to the showed situation by the market. That's it for the weekly time frame of dollar yen. Thanks for watching.